Drama is indeed a form of storytelling. It is a way where our mind, our heart, and our soul meets.
Of course, like most people say, drama is not our cup of tea. Yes, but like art, music, dance is also a medium of expression. Drama is one way of expressing ourselves.
First of all, I would like to welcome Mr. Ruzeni.
You know that you're going to be working on role playing. And if you think it's difficult, it's not. Because role playing is actually easier and more fun than you think it is.
Hello everyone, my name is Aradyam and the meaning of it is the God. My name is Divyanshi and my sign is Lexa and my shape is Hello Anthony. Hi everyone, I'm Arshia and I'm a free bird.
Why do you think we have to do a warm-up before we perform? Anybody can make a guess?
We do a warm-up before going out stage because to make our mentally and physically fit.
You need to do warm up so you can get fresh and ready.
You have to warm up to prepare yourself, all right, to keep fit. All right, so when we are performing, generally we do two types of warm-up. One is for our voice, two is for our body. 3, 2, 1, light.